Okay, hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're playing Warrior Cat. So, oh yeah, Merry Christmas. Anyways, I finally found you, Ghost. I traveled so far to get here. Please, you have to listen to me. Which one? I'm gonna do the second one. I don't know exactly how I managed to get here, but I went through the waters of the forest of Paris. Whatever it took. What matters is what I'm here now. You're here. You have to help us. Okay, what do you need help with? Yeah, that's that one. I'm gonna wait until she's finished. This is taking forever, guys. That's like a whole paragraph. Okay. Okay, comment what you got it for Christmas down below. Oh yeah, voice reveal. Hi. Anyways, Lavender wish that a sigh of relief. Finally offered so long to go back to the forest of ice, snow and super rare babe. If you can, check on the lamb star lakes by the lakeside, and if you kind enough to check fun ice, wondering outside of who's been long now. I'm gonna say a paragraph back. Oh look, thank you. Now my Thanksgiving on its own. Great. I just feel like recording because I wanted to, and I might post this, I might not. I don't know. Hey, what should I call y'all? Warrior Cats, Demon Slayer. Anyways, so check it for Christmas. I got a new iPad case with a computer. Wanna give me some water? The frozen. Excuse me. I'm gonna just go give me some water. I'm just gonna go give me some water. Wait. Oh wait, I already have water. Stay hydrated, guys. By the way, if you like Warrior Cats, this is your reminder to if you like Games Mode, this is your reminder to go get your ornaments. I'm not changing my avatar. Stone Wardens? Yes, I do the way. I'm gonna make this. Okay, time to read. Clone Shop isn't sat neatly in a spot. But hang on, let me do my eyes. I'm not gonna answer this. I'm not gonna read it. Bye, Cold Snap. Where's this place? What is this place? Shouldn't be a voice actor. Question mark. Wait, oh yeah, I'm making a band. I forgot to tell y'all. It's on my TikTok account. It's called Join the Band. All periods. Excuse me. What is this place? Well, it looks like I gotta go to This one gives me a good idea. Wait a second. I'm not even holding W. Bird? No, I'm not reading. I don't feel like reading. I don't feel like swimming across the water, but I have to. This is gonna take forever, I know it. So just listen to some ASMR, I guess. I got a microphone for Christmas, but I don't have anything to plug it up to. Everbrave. Ooh, want to speak to each other, Everbrave? The mystical cat nose twitches as you decide your stand. So you return after a long and awful time in. I heard that the mines were snowed by an Artorn. I don't know what that says. It seems the forest has gotten worse. It wasn't my choice, but they may have worthy enough to keep them. This for now being witch she turned toward you in a moment. Her saw defeating and cut through her sharp tone. The duty I have to do for undergo. I want to keep an eye on them, learn their intentions, learn their knowledge, skills, and return. Okay, guys, how do y'all read all this? Okay. Hey, by the way, I'm really desperate for subscribers, so can you just click the follow button, please? Thank you. If you did it, Guys, I know I just said that I didn't want to do that, but what if I kind of wanna? What's up, scared? What's that? Whoa, so we could do it if we want. Oh, my tooth hurts. But I already lost my baby teeth. Wait, voice changer. Wait, you. What? Wait, Nezuko, what? Your voice changer. Oh, wait a second. Oh, hi! Anyways. Actually, no, that's not my real voice. How do I jump? Because I'm just turning and then... Wait a second. Hey, what's that? Oh. Sit. Oh yeah. What do we just do it here? Because we're all just sitting here. Nobody's speaking. Just us. Guys, let's just do Night in the Forest. Ooh, there's a sound. Night in the Forest. don't want to. Y'all like my new avatar? Wait, look, present. I want to open the present. Present. Claim. No! My stuff is gone. Wait, no. Bro, I need to get used to playing with. Why does that guy keep thinking he's so tough? Like, bro, you have 7 days. I have 143. Exit. Y'all think you can grief me? Yay! We got the team. I'm gonna be crafter, cook, and base builder. I'm lucky I didn't take everything. Crafter. Okay. I know I spelled build wrong. Bro, I do not want that. That guy's trying to hit me. Guys, he's trying to hit me. How do I swing? Wait. Oh, wait a second. How do I swing? Wait, how do you all swing? I know this is shift, but how do you swing? I mean, y'all know I know how to swing. I'm not using my hands. Guys, come on, teach me how to swing. Comment below because I don't know how to swing on a computer. Excuse me. Okay, there we go. I still did not do that with a computer, by the way. I need a mouse. Should have asked for a computer and a mouse. Are we gonna upgrade the fire? Okay. Why did you just that person? Oh, I wish I could. Now you have some question. If you see this video, creator, please make it so people can, I don't know, pick up base defensors. Is anybody? Excuse me, is anybody gonna work on fire? Is anyone going to work on the fire? Question mark. Am I the only person who's actually talking? I mean, okay. I'm getting in a different team. How do people not know how to play the game? How do you not know? You need to get the fire up. Noobs. Alright, so if you want to play with me, I'll just go live if I can. No! I am not returning to that pig. 1,000 diamonds? Yeah, I got 77 diamonds though. That means I could buy a class. What class do I need? I want to get chef or something. I mean, where's chef? Guys, did I miss chef? Vampire? Nah. Engineer? Okay, I see what that's 1,000. I would pay 1,000 too. Zookeeper? Berserk? Ooh, Fire Bandit? Oh no. Oh, did it have to land on those two numbers? Hey, not the B. Hey, 067. 067. 0. Oh, that would be good for my team. Wait a second. Can I buy? Yeah, I can buy. Me can buy. Oh yeah, I have enough. We can buy. Guys, I'm about to use a new class today. I mean, I don't care. I don't really play this game. Yippee! Hey, change colors. Oh yeah, should I give y'all a room tour right after I clean my room? I mean, that one video I made on TikTok looks horrible. There we go, it's purple. Is nobody gonna get it? Okay. Go check out a collab with somebody. I'll go back to recording when I collab with somebody. So see you then. Peace.